Hi everyone. So this question right here is simply asking us to solve this equation but give the answer in general solution, in general form. When they do that, they have to tell you what units you're in, and this one sorry, not units, what mode you're in, and this one tells us we're in radians. So here we go. Now, to solve this right here, all I really need to do is take the square root of both sides, and I get that sine is plus or minus 1. Okay? Now, these are extreme values for sine. Okay, sine fluctuates between -1 and 1, and these are the very extreme values here. Now I just got to think about this. Sine is related to the y-coordinate. Okay, so I just got to think here. When does sine go to +1? When does sine go to -1? So basically, when does it hit its extremes? And the answer is when the y-coordinate is equal to 1 or -1, and that's right here on the y-axis. So one of the angles that I'm getting here is going to be pi over 2. And when I come down to here, the next angle that I'm getting is 3 pi over 2. So here are the two angles in one rotation that satisfy my equation. Now, to make a general solution of this, I could add n2 pi, where n is an element of the integers. Okay, so for each of these angles, I'm just going to continually add full rotations to that. But we can do a little better than this. Notice that these two angles are on opposite ends, basically, of the unit circle here, which means they are going to differ by pi radians. So I can actually simplify my solution a little bit by simply identifying pi over 2, and instead of adding a full rotation, I'm just going to add a half rotation to that, where n is an element of the integers. And so what that'll do is that'll take me to pi over 2, add pi, add pi, add pi, and what that'll do is help me alternate between those two angles there. So this is actually a simpler form of the general solution.